Welcome to Niagara Takes Flight, Niagara Falls' latest fully immersive motion ride. Entering the first of two waiting areas, we're greeted to a giant video wall with lights and sound effects, running a video narrated by James Cameron, providing a brief history on the treaty agreements with Niagara Falls and the industrial change that's happened to the area over the last several centuries. What I did find interesting, they actually encouraged you to take pictures and record video with your cell phones or with your small camera in the waiting areas and on the ride. They did warn you, however, don't drop it because we are about 25 feet in the air once we get on board.
And wove together a continent. The Niagara Parks Commission was established to uphold the original promise to protect this place for all of us.
Okay, we are on board the ride now, getting ready to rotate into position. The total ride is about 8.5 minutes, and be advised, when they say immersive, they mean it. There's a little bit of weather effect as well. I'm just going to showcase here about 2 minutes of it, just enough to intrigue you to make the trip to Niagara and try it for yourself. Until next time, thanks for watching.
Was discovered during tunneling as electric power generation was engineered, first constructed here over a century ago. Niagara has always been a place of power, a source of endless energy.